always seems like I want to do something when I just wake up or I get the urge, and I'm usually in my pajamas or no makeup and just a mess. So this is that moment, and I'm making Rice Krispie treats. I remembered to buy the marshmallows yesterday at the grocery store. My husband is back there eating his, what are you eating? you're, yeah, there. Oatmeal. So you'll be hearing, and my son is doing things, so you'll be hearing sounds within this video. I've had the marshmallows and 3 tablespoons of butter on low heat for a while now, and I've been monitoring it and stirring. It's been a little process. So you've seen the before with the whole package of large marshmallows, and now you'll see what it has turned into after about, I'm going to say about 5 minutes of stirring on low heat. So just a little more to go before the Rice Krispies are added. We've totally melted the marshmallows. Now we are going to, I'm going to let you see that. Oh, it's really smooth. Still a little warm, but we've taken it off the heat. And we're going to slowly add Rice Krispie treats. Or Rice Krispies. And you just slowly, do that. It's gonna be I will make a mess. That is what I do most of the time. But it will turn out in the long run, so I'm not worried about it. And just slowly add this until it all gets mixed in here. So I'm really not sure how I'm going to do this, because it says I should be able to use all these Rice Krispies, so I'm really curious if it's going to work or not. We shall see. I'm going to have a mess. It's totally fine. This has been one fun mess. I got to take Rice Krispies, butter, and marshmallows and put them all together and make this little tray of treats. I did find that parchment paper is it helps you so much. Your hands don't get sticky when you're pressing it down. This piece of paper has come in so handy. So now I'm to the point of cutting them. Now we're going to have our Rice Krispie treats with a spot of tea, and I've invited my husband and my son along. And when he first took his bite, this was what as an expression. So I said, "Oh, say that for me."
That's really good. That's
Thank you. I made something good that my adult son loves. I did make this one time, maybe 1 or 2 times, because it is a mess. You will make a mess, and when you're a mother, you don't like messes. But I did make it a few times growing up. But now that I have more time and my kids are grown and wonderful, you know, make the mess because your kids will love it.
I'll do some B-roll. So people don't just get discouraged if they made a mess.
It's a mess, but it's good.